Yeah. 812s?
812, 2 DC9 keys.
Oh man.
Oh, you got to put your autograph in here too.
I'm not really a famous person, I wouldn't say.
I'm not either.
Are these 10s or 12s?
12s, X12s.
Whoa. This looks cool at night, I bet. Yeah. 812s?
812, 2 DC9 keys.
Half of them? Or one of them? Where are you wired? Point.
They're strapped at a half, so you can't see a quarter.
Really?
I'm
Oh.
clamping about 23,000 watts, but I've turned it down a little bit because I didn't really gain anything. So.
Yes, sir. Okay. How's your battery power for that?
I got a 120 amp hour proto and just one 370 CES alternator.
Okay. Do you know your port area on this? I was always curious about that. That's the part I always notice in fourth orders are really critical.
I want to say it's about 280.
280? Okay.
I started at 500, shrank it down, opened it back up, and then put it back there.
Okay.
And I tell you the biggest gains I made for anybody who wants a little extra.
Yeah.
I gained a dB and a half round in my port solar.
Just by having a round over a flat surface.
Yep.
So you got loudest with a square block and then just rounded it over.
Yep.
Got
it. Changed my tuner or nothing.
And then,
yep. Give me a dB and a half. Right
awesome.
there.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it, man.
All right.
What was your name?
Billy Staples.
Billy Staples. All right. Good.
Oh my gosh.
Time to film a little.
It went in for 10.
How you start that? Did it? He'll give you a killer haircut.
I just went damn.
Once it goes down, you can get control on
All right. Yep.
As I lean in the cut, the supreme. She didn't wanna, when she give a nigga head, cause she said that she tryna watch her calories. Cause she said that she tryna watch her calories. When she give a nigga head, can she say that she tryna watch her calories?
Is it USB popping from in here?
No, it's right here. I don't know why it's been acting up today.
Oh, okay. Wow, I appreciate the demo, man. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.